Introducing ztC Edge from Stratus, the first zero-touch, fully virtualized and self-protecting computing platform specifically designed for your industrial environment.
Hello everyone, I'm Pico Morales, the product specialist from WSI Handling Stratus. And today, we'll be showing you what's inside the Stratus ztC Edge box.
As we open the Stratus ztC Edge box, the first we can see is the registration form and the user manual. The package also includes power cables and different LAN connections for its network connectivity. At the side of the box, you can also find various DIN rails so you can mount it on any surface. On the bottom half of the box, there's also the power supply and another set of power cable. The Stratus ztC Edge box also includes a 10G 8-port switch and the rest of its DIN rails. And here's the other node of the Stratus ztC Edge. And here's everything that is included in the box. We have two nodes of the Stratus ztC Edge. Here's the front view and the back view respectively. Both nodes also comes with their own separate power supply. Included also are various cables that you can use for its redundancy and connectivity to your own network. The package also includes various DIN rails so you can mount it on any surface. And lastly, it includes a 10G network switch. So that's everything what's inside the Stratus ztC Edge.